Hello everyone, welcome to Roni Tuitions Maths has Fun. Today's we are going to read about the divisibility test of the numbers. This is the third part of the number system. So first of all, number 1. 1 is the factor for all numbers. Means all numbers are divisible by the 1. All numbers are divisible by 1. All numbers divisible by 1. By 1. Next, number 2. The digits or the number digits which ends with which digits or the number which ends with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, that numbers are divisible by the 8 or 2 up to the 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, that number ends with any number which has the last digit ending 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, that number is divisible by the 2. Suppose that one example we taken the 2, 4, 6, that if we divided this number, so yes, it is divisible by the 2. Divisible by the 2. There is no remainder in that. Then coming number 3. If the sum of digits is multiple of 3, then that number is divisible by the 3. Suppose that one example we are taking here 2, 4, 6, 8, whether it is divisible by the 3 or not. So we are first what we are doing, 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 is equal to how much? 2 plus 4 6, 6 plus 6 12, 12 plus 8 20. 20 is not the multiple of the 3. 20 is not the multiple of 3, so that this number is not divisible. Number is not divisible by the 3. Divisible by 3. What is that? If the sum of the digits is the multiple of the 3, then that number is divisible by 3. Otherwise not. Next, number 4. If the last two digit is divisible by 3, divisible by 4, then that number is divisible by 5, divisible by 4. Example, suppose that we are taking example here, same example 2, 4, 6, 8. If we are divide it, whether it is divisible or not, so in last two digit is what? 68. 68, if we divide and see the 68 by the 4, 4 1s are 4, remainder is 2, taken down the 8, become the 28, 4 7s are 28. Yes, it is last two digit is divisible by the 4, so yes, this number is also divisible by the 4. Next, number 5. If the ending digit of any number, then if the ending digit of any number is 0 or 5, then that number is divisible by the 5. Suppose that any number, we are taking any example of that number. Any example we taken here 2050, whether this number is divisible by the 5 or not. Yes, because of last ending digit is 0, and that is divisible by the 5. Next, coming number 6. If any number divisible by 2 and 3, both, then that number is divisible by the 6. If in that 2 is yes and 3 is not, that number is divisible by the 2 but not the 3, then that number is also not divisible by the 6. If the number is divisible by the 3 not by the 2, then that number will also not be divisible by the 6. So what is that? If the number divisible by the 2 also and 3 both, then only that number is divisible by the. Suppose that we are taking any number here, we taken here 2 4 6 8, that number only, same number. So we are taking it, this number is divisible by the 2 by the divisible by the 2, yes it is, but this number is not divisible by the 3, because of if we add it, then that time we got it 20 is not divisible by the 3, multiple of the 3, so 3 is no. So this total number is not divisible by the 6, not divisible by the 6, by the 6. If it is comes, suppose that any other number we are taking here, 1 2 1 2. If this number is divisible by the 6 or not, we are checking it. So first, is this number divisible by the 2? Yes, it is divisible by the 2 because of last ending is 2. If it is 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 2 is equal to 6 by the 3, yes, it is multiple of the 3. So by 3 also it is, this number is divisible by, so that this total number 1212 is divisible by the 6. By the 6 it is yes. Then coming number 7. 7. If last ending digit, end digit multiply by 2 and subtract from remaining digits, then if that number is divisible by 7, then that number is divisible by, or will be divisible by 7. Take one example. Suppose that we taken the example here 343. Last ending digit is 3. So we have to do it multiply by the double of the 3 into 2 is equal to 6. Now remainder what is the remaining digit? 34. 34 minus 6 is equal to 28. Yes, 28 is divisible by that 7. So this total 343 number is divisible by the 7. Yes, it is divisible by the 7. Yes, it is divisible by the 7. It is applicable. Next, number 8. If the last 3 digits, last 3 digits is divisible by 8, then that number is divisible by the 8. Last 3 digit means, if suppose that the number is, we taken the 1 2 4 5 8, in that last 3 digit we are taking 253. Last 3 digit we are dividing it by the 8. 8 3s are 24, remainder is 1. Taken down the 8 down, drop down 8. 8 2s are 16, remainder is 2. This number is not divisible by the last, in that number 2 is the remainder, so that this number is not divisible by the 8, because of last 3 digit we have to check. Next, coming number 9. It is as the same like the 3. Why? That should be the multiple of the 9. Is as same like 3, but it should be multiple of 9. Like that, suppose that one example we are taking, suppose we taken the 1 2 4 8 9 6. So we are taking it 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 8 plus 6 plus 9. This 9. So 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 4 7, 7 plus 8 15, 15 plus 6 21, 21 plus 3 9 30. So 30 is not the multiple of 9. 30 is not the multiple of 9. So that this number is not divisible by the 30 is not divisible by 9. Next, coming 10. If the end digit is 0, then that number will be the divisible. Then that number will be divisible by 10. Thank you.